Welcome back to your new lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can import files into your MATLAB. So there are two options. In the first option, graphically you can import files, and then in the second option, you can import files using command window. So first I'm going to show you how you can import with graphical user interface. So first you need to click on your home tab if you do not in current home tab. You could be into plot or apps. So the tab here, click on home tab and then you need to press import data. So once you press import data, it will open a graphical user interface in which it will ask which file do you want to import. So here I have a file. Let's say I want to import CSV01. So click on the CSV01 and then open. Once you click that open, it will open a preview window. In this preview window, it will say that this is column is a comma separated. Either you can select it with the space or semicolon or the tab separated. Right? So automatically it has detected that the column is comma separated. Right? And once you had selected all these things, and here you will be having an option that unimportable cells, you can replace unimportable cell with NaN. So once you select these things, now you can click on import selection. So once you click on import selection, it will complete this import. Right, so here you can do import data or generate script or generate function. So once you click there and click on here, it will import. And suppose that if you select here, if you select generate script, then it will generate an script which will import that file. So here is a script in which it has file name, full path, and then delimiter, comma separated, and then it has a format spec. In format specification it says that there are two text files. Okay, so that's why %s and the %s and the new line and carriage return, and then it is opening a file with a file id pointer into a read mode and the file name is given here. And after that it is using a text scan. In the text scan it is passing file id, format spec, and delimiter, that's mean the comma separated, and then text type is string, return on error is false. Finally the data has been read into this data array, and then it is converting that content into raw format, and finally it is reading into a numeric data. Once all these things has been done, and then finally it creates a table and then it adds that into CSV01. So the CSV01 format have these variables such as lx and lxcom. Right? Great. So let's close this. In similar way you can generate a function. So once import has been done, now you can close this import, and here you will see CSV has a 3 by 2 table. In that 3 by 2 table it has name in the first column and emails into a second column, and you can also print that here CSV01. So once you click on that CSV01, this says that it is a table of 3 by 2 and it has a variable name of column lx and lx lxlcom. Okay, lxcom as a column name for the email. If you want to only print this name, this column, then what you can do, you can write here CSV01 dot lx. Now it will get a first column. If you want to print a second column, then you can do CSV01 dot lxcom, and you will get a second column, right? So this is all about how you can import data using your graphical user interface. One more thing I would like to tell you one more time, how you can import some other type of data, such as, suppose that if you want to import this text, so you can click on here. This says that hello I am, hello I am text01, right? And then you can select here. So this is separated by only space, that's why it is telling that it's this is unselectable, right? Once it is done, then you can click on import selection and then you can close this. Now let's close this. Sorry. Now you can see here there is a text 01, and if you print that text 01 here, what you will get? You will get a table, and that was a comma separated, so you got here hello I am a text 1, right? And if you click here, you will see here. So one thing you might have noticed here, that earlier in this file I have written here hello I am a text. Okay, so this is a string actually, right? But it is considering each word as a string. And one more thing you might have noticed, that if we go into file sections, here we are having a text of multiple files, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. And the similarly we are having here Microsoft Excel worksheet, 4 Excel worksheet. In the next tutorial I'll show you how you can read multiple files together. So this is all about how you can import data using graphical user interface. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day.